I'm going to show you how to invisible double crochet decrease. So to start, we're going to yarn over and we're going to insert our hook into the front loop only of the next 2 stitches. So go into that front loop of that stitch, in the front loop of the next stitch. We're going to draw up a loop through those 2 front loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We've just made an invisible double crochet decrease. And the point of doing this is it makes a much less bulky decrease than a classic one. So let's try that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the front loop only of the next 2 stitches. Draw up a loop, and we're going to complete our double crochet as normal. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that's it.